Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to make your formatting life easier using the Format Painter tool in Microsoft Word. Have you ever spent time perfecting the formatting of a sentence, only to realize you need the same style elsewhere? Well, that's where the Format Painter comes to the rescue. First, open your Word document. Let's say you have a sentence with the exact formatting you want. Select the sentence. For example, here, select this one and then look for the Format Painter. It is located in the Home tab. It looks like a little paintbrush. So here's the Format Painter. Now, give the Format Painter a click. Your cursor will turn into a paintbrush icon. Now simply highlight the text you want to apply the same formatting to. When you release the mouse button, like magic, the selected text will take on the same formatting as your original sentence. Look at this. So, Format Painter and then select. See? And that's it. You now know how to use the Format Painter tool in Word. It's a game changer for consistent and professional formatting. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use the Format Painter tool in Word. See you on my next video.